This is a heavy-duty steel home gym storage rack with wheels. I was sent this to review from JSNW, so let me show you a closer look. Here is everything laid out. Here is the instructions. This is the final product, everything included, and the label comes with all of the tools you need. Gives you really detailed instructions without being overwhelming. So I'm gonna get this set up.
I'm 5'8". It comes up just below my hips. It's a nice compact size, but holds so much.
It probably took me about 20 minutes in total to put together. It was very straightforward and easy. I am impressed with the quality. This is a nice section here where you can put tall like yoga mats, stand them up, and then this keeps them from falling over. This is elevated. There are a lot of ways you could customize this. Let me bring it out. There are wheels, which work really nicely. There are 6 wheels and 3 on one side are lockable. And you could remove those. They just screw in. So if you don't want wheels, then just don't include those. These are slightly different heights and that one as well, but it's basically the whole way across. Those are just 3 different panels. Then you've got here, 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 and here. We've got 2 hanging bars. So you could put stuff here. You could hang something. You can also adjust where you add these because look at the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes to choose from. So you could put them further apart, closer together, you name it. You've even got 2 of these little hanging bits that you can attach here or over there. They're very flexible, but you've got 2 of those. You could leave this side off completely and it would just be flat here. You could also leave this bit off and it would be flat there. So you can customize it based on your needs and how much space you have basically, but it's a really great unit. I don't have super heavy weights to test out the capacity. Just check the product page for how much you can put on each of these platforms, but they seem pretty sturdy. Heavy duty, metal, looks nice, matte black. I love it, and I know you will too.